Hey guys, it's Rachel from Hope Corner Farm. By day I'm a home ec teacher who teaches hundreds of students how to crochet, quilt, sew, and cook. And today we're going to learn how to complete the foundation half double crochet. I love starting off my half double crocheted projects with a foundation half double crochet because it gives just a more finished look to my bottom edge of my work. So if you're working on a headband, ear warmer, hat, something that needs a more finished look to your project, a foundation half double crochet is a great way to go. So let's grab a hook and some yarn and we'll get crocheting. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications of when I post new videos, and don't forget to give me a like or a comment. Give me some feedback on this video. Let me know what I did well or things that I could improve upon. To begin the foundation half double crochet stitch, we need to start by placing a slip knot onto our hook. After we have our slip knot on our hook, notice I've got about that much room here for my slip knot. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better now that I moved it. One key element to this foundation half double crochet is to not have too tight of a tension. If your tension's too tight, your foundation half double crochet is going to kind of arch. And we don't want that. So make sure you don't crochet too tightly. So what I need to do here to start the foundation half double crochet is chain 2. So I'm going to start by chaining 2. Now that I have 2 chains on my hook, I'm ready to get going with the actual foundation half double crochet. So our very first foundation half double crochet is going to be worked into this chain, the second chain from the hook. So not this one, we're going into this stitch here. So before we go into that stitch though, we need to yarn over. So we're going to go down and around. I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to go into that chain. I am putting 2 legs of that chain on top and 1 on the bottom. So if you look at your hook from the top, it'll look like you've got 4 loops there. So I'm going to come and I'm going to yarn over again and I'm going to pull through that chain. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. I again have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over one final time and pull through all 3 loops. Now I'm going to stop here for a second. I like to tighten that chain we went into just for a nicer look to my project. Now the hardest thing you're going to do here is this very next stitch right after going into the chain. And the reason why is we need to know where to place our hook, and it's a little hard to see. So where we're going to go is we're going to go above this bar and below this loop. So we're going into this space right here. I'll make it a little bigger so we can see that a little better. But again, we're going above this bar, below these loops, right into this space right here. But before I go into that space, I need to yarn over first. I'm going to go into that space. I make sure I get both of those loops of that previous stitch. I'm going to come up and yarn over, pull through that stitch. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. Again, I'm left with 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that completes the second foundation half double crochet. So for the next one, we're again going into this space right here. I'm going to make it a little bigger. We're going above this bar, below these loops, right into this little space right here. Hopefully you can see that. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to go into that space, making sure we pick up 2 loops there. We're going to yarn over, pull through that space. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. There are still 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So why do we do it this way? So this first yarn over that goes through the space, and the second yarn over that comes through the space, and then the third yarn over that goes through the first loop create the base for this stitch, for our next stitch. So what we're doing here, there's that base. It's the V here that we're creating on this bottom edge, which gives the foundation half double crochet that nice look. So those first 3 yarn overs and pull throughs create that V. Now this last yarn over is how we complete a regular half double crochet. We would just yarn over and pull through that stitch. So the first 3 yarn overs create the base, the last one creates the stitch. I hope that makes sense. Now, one other thing I want to point out, I like to consider this a 4-step stitch. So what do I mean? I'm going to yarn over 4 times for this stitch. So example here is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 yarn overs make a foundation half double crochet. So yarn over, yarn over, yarn over, and yarn over, and that creates the foundation half double crochet. When I'm crocheting this, I literally am counting in my mind 1, 2, 3, 4. And that way it makes sure I get all the steps for that foundation half double crochet. So you can see here our edge is getting really nice. That's that bottom edge, and that's why we do a foundation stitch like this, a foundation half double crochet. So that makes it nice there. It makes a nice edge to your crocheted projects. And that's the foundation half double crochet. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually kind of fun to complete, and it's a great way to start off a lot of projects that have a half double crochet in it rather than doing a chain and then a half double crochet. So again, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'll go really slow and really close here for this very last one I'm going to do for you guys. So I'm going to go yarn over into this space, yarn over, pull through the space, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that's the foundation half double crochet. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications, and again, give me some feedback, give me a like or a comment, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.